What if I told you there are natural time capsules on Earth that do not just show us history but actually hold it inside, perfectly preserved, untouched for millions of years until the day we finally discover them? I am talking about amber golden drops of ancient tree resin that trapped insects, plants, and even strange creatures long before humans ever walked this planet. Some of these finds are so shocking they feel like scenes from a science fiction movie. Today we explore the most bizarre and mind-bending things ever discovered inside amber, and by the end of this video you will never look at a drop of tree sap the same way again. Before we dive into the strange discoveries, let us understand what amber really is. Many people think it is just tree sap, but that is not true. Amber comes from resin, a sticky substance made by trees to protect themselves from injury or insects. Over millions of years this resin hardens and turns into the golden stone we call amber. What makes amber so special is how it can trap things inside it. Once something gets stuck in the resin, it is sealed away from air, water, and time. This perfect protection keeps the trapped creature or plant exactly the same as it was millions of years ago. That is why scientists love amber. It is like nature made its own time machine, giving us a clear window into ancient life. Some of the oldest things found in amber take us back almost 100 million years. Imagine holding a piece of stone in your hand, and inside it is a tiny insect that lived when dinosaurs were still walking the earth. One of the first big discoveries was a group of ancient flies and beetles frozen in time. These insects looked almost the same as the ones we see today, but they lived in a world full of giant reptiles and strange plants. Scientists have even found tiny pieces of moss and ancient flowers trapped inside amber. These plants give us clues about what the Earth looked like long before humans came along. Each discovery is like a page from the oldest book in the world, except the pages are written in golden crystal and every detail is perfectly clear. Now we enter the time of dinosaurs, and this is where amber gives us some of the most exciting discoveries ever made. One of the biggest finds was a piece of amber that had an actual dinosaur tail inside it. The tail was covered in soft feathers, and even had tiny bones perfectly preserved. This showed scientists that many dinosaurs had feathers long before birds appeared. Another piece of amber had a baby snake inside. It was so small it could fit on your fingertip, and it lived almost 100 million years ago. This was the oldest snake fossil ever found, and it changed what scientists knew about how snakes evolved. There was also a strange-looking creature that looked like a chameleon, but was not really a chameleon. Its body shape was frozen mid-movement, as if it was ready to catch its prey. These moments are like photographs from a time when dinosaurs ruled the earth. Amber does not just trap animals, it has also captured some very strange and sometimes funny moments from the past. Scientists have found flowers frozen in the middle of pollination. A tiny insect was visiting the flower for nectar, when the resin flowed over them, locking both in place forever. It is like nature pressed a pause button millions of years ago. Another discovery was a beetle with a glowing body. It carried its own light, just like fireflies today. This showed that glowing insects existed even in the age of dinosaurs. One piece of amber had a snail giving birth. Yes, a snail frozen in the middle of one of the most private moments of its life. Another had a spider attacking a wasp caught in its web. The action was stopped mid-fight and kept that way for millions of years. These discoveries show us that amber does not just preserve creatures, it preserves behavior, moments, and stories from a world long gone.